Soy Fiona Azcárate, psicóloga, y actualmente trabajo en el equipo de Human Factors de IDIADA. Desde pequeña siempre he sido una persona con intereses muy diversos. Me han gustado los números, las letras, he hecho ballet, hago fútbol, hago música. También una persona muy decidida. Siempre tuve clara mi vocación por la psicología. Y es a mí lo que realmente me apasiona y me interesa son las personas. Y este es precisamente el atractivo de mi trabajo aquí en IDIADA. Estudiar y entender el comportamiento humano en la interacción con el vehículo. Desde mi posición, considero que la igualdad de género es fundamental para la creación de entornos diversos, para tener variedad de opiniones que nos ayuden en la toma de decisiones, fomenten la creatividad y nos permitan desarrollar soluciones más innovadoras. A las mujeres que se plantean trabajar en el sector de la automoción les daría el mismo consejo que a cualquier persona. Persigue aquello que realmente te apasiona y confía en tus habilidades. No permitas que ningún estereotipo te frene, porque tu potencial no depende de tu género.
Hi there, I'm Fernanda. I'm a CFD engineer and I work for a Brazilian team. For those women who want to join automobile industry, I have an advice. Keep trying, keep studying, believe your dreams, and don't give up, because they will come true. There's place for all of us. Thank you.
I am Shalaka Dev and I work as an engineer in the electronics division of Applus IDIADA, India. My journey till here started as a curious child who loved doing experiments. In school, I took up extra credit courses spanning 3 years, which introduced me to the basic principles and activities in engineering. Being a science and technology enthusiast and following work of people like Tessie Thomas, Kalpana Chawla, and Achyut Godbole motivated me to do engineering. Engineer is analogous to problem solver, which I believe requires creativity built on the fundamentals of diversity in viewpoints. The presence of women is crucial to tap into a complete pool of creativity, thus resulting into better and broader applicable solutions. Credible evidences of women retaining their careers in engineering, equal opportunity, equal pay, and conducive work environments will create role models, attracting more women to this field. I would advise women passionate about making a difference in the society to pursue STEM careers, as it offers a lot of opportunities, unlocking dream jobs, and in turn building self-esteem, independence, and better quality of living for women.
Many women might not realize they can work at the automotive industry. They think they will be ignored and not accepted in the man team. It is already well known that the main benefits of having women in the workplace, which we can call men's world, are improved communication skills, beneficial innovative ideas, and a stronger work ethic. The biggest goal is to spread the awareness that women are welcome in the automotive industry for their skills and knowledge. Me, as a woman, I am asking for the stability and for recognition. I believe this is the desire of all women in every industry, which is rather men's area. If the women's part of the job seeker get the feeling that everything what counts are the skills and not the gender already at the beginning of making careers decision, it is something what can make the change in increasing the number of women in the automotive industry.
When I was in school, I often heard adults say that boys were better at math and science. But I want to prove that girls could be good at those subjects too, and engineering was a way for me to do that. One aspect of engineering that really appeals to me is the opportunity to work in a lab setting. I found it's fascinating to see how different components come together to create a function system. And I enjoy testing and refining design to make them work more efficient. To women who are considering a career in STEAM, my advice would be trust your feeling and follow your interests. Even it means taking a path that may be less traditional or more challenging. Don't let anyone tell you that you can't do it. Believe in yourself and your abilities, and don't be afraid to take the risks. The future of STEAM is bright, and there is a place for you in it.